Today, we're diving into a fascinating concept from Jungbub philosophy, specifically the idea of how we absorb and process the experiences of others. It's all about how we navigate the challenges we face, not just in our own lives, but through the lives of the people we meet.
Yes, it's really interesting how it ties into the idea of study. It's not just about gathering knowledge or answering problems quickly. It's more about absorbing life's lessons patiently and letting that accumulation of energy grow over time. The key here is the right approach, right?
Absolutely. It's like we're all living through a study of sorts, but it's up to us how we engage with those lessons. I think it's easy to fall into the trap of trying to fix things immediately when we see someone struggle. But according to Jungbub, that's actually not the best way to approach it.
Exactly. When we encounter others' difficulties, it's easy to want to offer immediate solutions. But there's something deeper here about how that energy works. Youngbub teaches us that it's not about giving quick answers, but about absorbing and understanding. Over time, that energy accumulates and leads to real wisdom.
And that's where the law of 3-7 comes into play, right? The idea that after accumulating a certain amount of energy, you naturally reach a point where you're able to offer solutions that are truly impactful.
Yes, the law of 307 is fascinating. It's about the balance of energy. You spend time absorbing and reflecting. 70% of the energy is collected, and when the time is right, only 30% of it is actually needed to provide a solution. That's when real clarity strikes.
It's all about letting that energy condense and reach the right concentration. The idea is that when you've absorbed enough, the answers come naturally. But here's the thing. If you rush to offer a solution before that energy reaches its full potential, it's not going to be the right answer.
And that's why people who are always offering solutions on the spot, without fully absorbing what's going on, often don't earn respect. It's like giving a quick fix that doesn't actually resolve the underlying issue. The solution might feel temporary, but it doesn't last.
Exactly. When you're constantly in the process of studying and taking the time to observe, that's when real transformation happens. But it's not about rushing in with advice. It's about the quiet power of simply being present and absorbing what's happening around you.
It's also about humility, right? There's something really powerful in saying, I understand, and then quietly reflecting on that. Not everything needs to be dissected or addressed immediately.
That's the key to enlightenment. It's not about making a spectacle of your knowledge or trying to impress others with your solutions. It's about allowing your energy to build, and when the time is right, offering something of true value.
Exactly. The energy you've accumulated will eventually create a space where people will naturally approach you for answers. It's not forced, it's organic. And that's when you know you've truly reached a level of understanding.
So, the takeaway here is not to rush in and provide solutions when you're not asked. It's about respecting the process of study. You absorb, you reflect, and when the right moment comes, you offer your insights with confidence.
Right. And when you've done the work, when the time is right, your energy will draw others to you and you'll be able to provide them with answers that truly make a difference.
It's like a natural process. The energy you accumulate over time guides you, and when the moment comes, the solution will come effortlessly. It's not about the speed at which you give advice, but the depth and quality of that advice.
So the next time you're faced with someone else's struggles, remember, absorb, don't rush, and trust that when the time is right, the answers will come naturally. And most importantly, don't feel compelled to solve everything for everyone.
That's the real wisdom in the process of study. Just let it unfold.
Well said. So what's your takeaway from all this?
I think it's about patience. We all have so much to learn from the world and each other, but the real lessons come when we stop rushing to solve everything and just take the time to absorb and reflect.
Couldn't agree more. It's a reminder to trust the process and let our understanding grow naturally.